The 2023 Mini Cooper Countryman's plus size proportions. Plus size for Mini, that is, make it more useful than most other Mini models, which are more suited handling 2 passengers. While we think its increased dimensions and extra mass diminish the fun factor, one of the brand's defining traits, we acknowledge that the Countryman's larger size probably appeals to a wider audience than its smaller siblings. This is the Maxi Mini. It has a big back seat and a goodly amount of cargo space, at least compared with the rest of its family. Power comes from turbocharged 3 or 4-cylinder engines with either front or all-wheel drive. Too bad neither provide satisfying thrust. The plug-in hybrid model is easily the quickest, but its higher price tag and increased weight offset its advantages. The 2023 Countryman doesn't embody the Mini ethos, but its distinctive bodywork and well-built interior at least let it look the part.